Hello everyone, today I'm gonna solve a nice differential equation. Let's solve it. If we have dy divided by dx equals 2x times the square root of 4x squared plus 1, we want to find y in this equation. If we look at this equation, this is the first order differential equation. So we can multiply dx by this equation. So in the left side, we have dy equal 2x times the square root of 4x squared plus 1 times dx. And now we can integrate of this equation. So I put integral behind them, and it means in the left side I can write y equal, in the right side we have the integral 2x times the 2x times the square root of 4x squared plus 1 times dx. And now for solving this integral I want to use the substitution, and it means we can write 4x squared plus 1 as t. Let me write it, 4x squared plus 1 as t. And if we take a differential on both sides, in the left side I can write 8 x dx equals, in the right side we have dt, and it means 2x times dx 2x times dx equals dt divided by 4. And why I do that? Because we have in this integral we have 2x times dx. So the integral was the 2x times the square root of 4x squared plus 1 times dx, and instead of 2x times dx I can put the dt divided by 4, and instead of the square root of 4x squared plus 1 I can put the square root of t, right? So it means our integral is the square root of t times dt divided by 4. So we have to find this integral. And but before I solve this, you know that the integral of x to the power of n dx equals x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So according to this nice point, we can find the yellow integral, and y equal the integral the square root of t, or t to the 1/2 power dt, and that's equal the t to the power of 3/2 divided by 3/2. We have the dt divided by 4. I forgot it. Let me see it. That was, yes, dt divided by 4. So for answer we have to add 1/4. Yes, that's it. And the answer will be equal 1/6 times the 1/6 times the t to the power of 3/2 plus c. So what was c? That was equal the 4x. What was t? T was equal 4x squared plus 1, and it means the answer will be equal 1. Let me write it for you. T equals 4x squared plus 1, and it means the y equal 1 divided by 6, or 1/6 times the 4x squared plus 1 to the power of 3/2 plus c, or we can write it in better form. It means the 1/6 times the square root of 4 x squared plus 1 cube plus c, and this is the y. And yes, that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, and have a good day. And this channel is Math with Marker.